So each month, let me explain the months. Most sales training usually is a big rah-rah session, and then you get past that, you get into the sales psychology that we've been talking about. But then here's the problem. It's 2 days, it's 2 hours. That's a huge fatal flaw in the industry. Because how can you master anything in life, right, in 2 days or 2 hours? You can't. So that's why you see like a month 1, a month 2, and so on. I go as fast as I can, but the whole idea is to master each month. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Boom, right there. Did you catch that? You know how you said mm-hmm?
Mm-hmm.
There you go again. 20 seconds before that, I could hear. Now, maybe you were grabbing your notepad to take notes. Maybe you're reaching for something. Maybe you were checking an email. But my antenna went up. You get it? So when your salespeople are pitching, they need to know, did I lose the guy? Did he disengage? Is it me? Am I overselling it? Am I drawing it out? Am I not getting to the point? All these things need to come to mind. And all I heard was dead silence. And then I heard the mm-hmm. So that's the kind of stuff where when, it's like your son, there's different, I imagine, not to pretend to know about military jets, but I imagine there's jets that will have much more higher radar capabilities than other jets.
Oh, without question.
Yeah, so this will also, you just kind of saw it in real time, get their radars, really maximized. Okay, so each month is 90 minutes to 2 hours of material.